for more sustainability. Extend your pumps and valve service life with original spare parts by KSB. Each individual part is as important as the entire product. Our logistics network supplies you rapidly and reliably worldwide. For example, with pre-configured kits containing all spare parts necessary for a specific repair. Or our own mechanical seals for maximum operating reliability. Our materials expertise ensures consistent quality for the highest of requirements. And that's not all. We can also meet your specific requirements. We produce spare parts for pumps and valves of different makes, using reverse engineering and additive manufacturing methods. This is a process we use when speed is key. Comprehensive service and spare parts for pumps and valves. Visit us at ksb.com. Original spare parts by KSB, because every individual part is as important as the entire product.